What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing some slime picks up. So this slime is really icky and I want to make it more green because this is turning into a gray, or a super nasty color. So I'm going to make it green, right? So green always goes good with gold. Get some green food coloring. Coloring. And we can't do that much because it's very watery. We thought it would be more like chunky. It's really watery, so we don't want it that watery. But it will still color it. And I didn't make any black because, wait, what do you mean black? Black is disgusting. Black, really. Black is disgusting. I'm gonna throw these all away when I'm done. It's always watery. Basically all it is paint and water. So I like it kind of like this. This is kind of pretty. It's kind of pretty. So now we have some gold. So you know what I like to do? I like to pour some in the cap and sprinkle it on top. This isn't really that big of a slime, so we're not going to storm our way in. Storm the glitter. We're not going to do that. We're just going to take it kind of easy with the glitter. Kind of easy. Now there's some glitter in it. And actually, I don't want it to be that green. So let's add some white. So with ones like these that don't have a marking tool, some white. Guys, I'll be right back. So guys, nothing changed, but we are going to make it green. Baby's gotta have a hands down, cross down. Guys, what do you think? Does that look better or not? Comment down below right now. Okay, I think it's not enough, so I don't care what you commented. We're doing this one. We're doing more. If you said we don't need more, then we do. Because I'm weird, and Ernie, this is my YouTube station now. I do slime here sometimes. I don't really do. I can take it off, but I got a new thing to do it, so I think that's enough. This looks pretty good. Does that look good? I think it's okay. And add some gold glitter in it. I don't think gold fits in with green, but it's fine. So on to the next slime. And I have a bunch of tools. So this one is instant water. It's green instant water. It's like water. Like look at that. It smells cool. Whoa, this is so watery. It's probably, I don't know why it's watery, but it is. Why are all my slimes green so far? It's really sticky. It's good. I should have activator over here, but I don't. I think I tried to make this with no shaving cream. Shaving cream saves everything. Guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I am back with the super sticky slime. Let's add some shaving cream. That's good. We don't need that much because I think I tried to make it without shaving cream. And it's instant. It's still going to be instant water. Look how cool. It's like holding the shaving cream like a baby. To the old town road, gonna ride till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. This isn't instant water anymore. Okay, I gotta keep the other ones instant water. Because I think I made one more instant water. Yeah, I need to keep that one instant water. Because I love the instant water ones. It's just really stinky. This is really sticky instant water. My other instant water I don't think is as sticky. So it's still really watery. I don't have any water, but it's fine. It's awesome. And everything is good with a little bit of pigment. I just have a little bit of pigment. I think it needs to be brighter now. So add some white pig. That's not white. Okay, since pigment isn't working. I just got slime in my pigment. So add some this pigment. Back to the old town. Ernie, we can do a video together with these and stuff. If you come over to my house ever, ever. And this is my slime station where I do slime videos, and yeah, it's awesome. No, Miss Julia's coming, sorry. Her name's not Miss Julia, it's nobody. I have piano lessons. Oh, 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 flying with me. Do you think this slime should have Orbeez in it? Or do you think it should have some pink pigment? Oh, that's a lot. I love pink. Let's add some blue too. I haven't added this blue to any of my slimes yet. Pink and blue are super pretty. Can you see those sparkles? Flying with me. I don't like green. Green isn't my favorite color. Green is my favorite color. On the other hand, I just added a lot of paint. I didn't remember that you don't add that much paint. It'll be super watery. But it is an instant water slime, so it's fine. Because it melts super easy. You're like, I have paint all over my hands now. Now it's sticky. Sticky. Paint makes your slime sticky. You know what you should always have? You should always have shaving cream. Because shaving cream is hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Just a little bit, because it'll make it super rough if you add a lot. It won't be sticky no more. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. It's gonna be beautiful. Ah! This is already more beautiful than the start. I wish I had some more from the start. It was like green. It was disgusting. And now it's blue. It's like teal. Aaron, if you come over, you can feel it. It's teal. My friend is Aaron. Well, not my friend. We call each other friends because we're neighbors. And I could just go get her, but I think she's at her grandma's house. So, no. I would go outside if I needed to, but I don't really have to. Flying with me. I didn't notice that you're not allowed to put that much shaving cream in slime. Oh, that's a good squishy. Oh, it breaks though. This is so sticky. That's why I'm adding shaving cream. And I need to get it all off my hands. This slime is hard to work with. Oh, I forgot I was filming. That's why I was singing. I forget when I forget I'm filming, I sing. I sing when I forget I'm filming. So yeah, na na na. You got your hands up. You gotta play along the rock song. I got my hands up. So I think that slime is complete. Do you like it? Do you like it? Hold him, let me eat him. Go on, baby. Dave. Oh, wait. Yes! Yes! I'm getting some of these instant water slime. So you can see the before and the after. See, guys, look at that color. And look at this. It transformed into like clear slime to like white slime, so it's awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. I'm not part of the team, so I don't get how this works, because everything is awesome. But I'm not part of the team, so I really don't get how this works. Everything is awesome. Everything is going. We have one more slime after this. We get to do 4 slimes. Yeah. That's cool, right? Do 3. Not 4. First of all, the slime is like a yum. This is an instant water slime, and I want to keep it instant water. So I'm probably just going to do some normal stuff and not add any shaving cream. And I like the color a lot. It's like my favorite color. This is basically my favorite color. So just, this probably won't match, but my hands are so watery that I can't even wipe it on my slime chair. So I do slime videos with it. Oh, that's like 300 gallons. Look how glittery it is now. That's pretty much all I wanted to do was add glitter. This now looks prettier. It says glitter. This was pretty from the start. I did want an instant water slime look really bad. I'm sitting on a hairbrush. Ah! Guys, point out if you can find my thing. Ah, it's right there. The reason I called it my thing is because I don't think I remember the word lid. So we had this one more slime. That's awesome. I want to go add gold shreds. Now we get some gold foil, but we gotta rip it first because it's not like, it's just regular foil, so it doesn't like rip right when you press down on it. I don't know why. I don't know. No. Oh, this one is sounds like metal. It's so cool. Now we're gonna, this is a surprise gift for you. Crushed up Orbeez. But in order for them to be crushed up, you have to crush them up. Like we're in the 80s and we don't have any crush buffers. No, it's just I don't. Okay guys, so we are going to have to stop the video. But like just after we put some Orbeez in. There's a low battery on my camera. We gotta finish this really quick. And I promise I'm not just trying to JK you, so, okay? Do you know what JKU means? JK means joking, and I said you because like I'm JKing you, I'm joking you. I'm not joking you. My battery in my camera is gonna die. We're gonna add one more sheet of foil because it's awesome. And then this one, I haven't used these sheets in a long time, and I think I only had like 5 sheets left. Ah, no! I only have 5 sheets left. That's not that much because I use like at least 2 sheets for every slime. Oh, this is my new favorite song. It's so crunchy. Do you ever wonder where your phone is? My phone is right there. You guys are my phone. It's because my phone's right there and just technical difficulties. It's a camera. Okay, it's not a phone. You guys think it's a phone? It is. It is my phone. Because I have a camera on there and I have an actual camera. This is where I do my camera. This is where I do my phone, but I have an actual camera on another, not another channel, just another page. Just another videos I have an actual camera. So when I'm at this table, I have my phone. When I'm like off of the table and stuff, then I have my actual camera. This is so good. Look at those little shreds. It's so crunchy. So, I just used all my sheets and now they're all gone. This is a chunky slime. Okay, bye guys!